Hello, in this video I will show you how to add the sold count widget to your product page. So for this you have to go to your customize theme section, and then from the drop down you need to select the product. Here I have only one product template, so I will click on the default product, but if you have more templates then you need to repeat this exercise for all of them. So here I can see that the widget is not getting displayed right now. So I just need to click on the add block because I want to show the widget just above the price. So you see this product information and you can click on the add block here. And if you go to apps, you can see the app, which is the sold count widget. So click on this and you can see that the app block has been added here, which is at the bottom, but we want it above the price, so we just need to click here and drag it above the price. And there it is. You can see the app block in action now. So just click on save and you are good to go. So when you refresh the product page, you should be able to see the widget on your product page. And if you need any help with the widget or if you run into any issues, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you.